Hey, Passport Pro travelers! Let me ask you something. Have you ever received a call from a family member in trouble or spotted a travel deal that seemed just a little too good to be true? Well, buckle up. Because in 2025, scammers are using artificial intelligence to create travel scams so advanced, even seasoned travelers are getting caught off guard. And seniors, you're their favorite target. But not today. Because I'm about to reveal the 10 new AI travel scams targeting seniors in 2025, you need to watch out for. And the simple moves that'll keep your money, your identity, and your vacation safe. Some of these are so sneaky, even the airlines and banks are scrambling to keep up. Ready to travel smarter than the scammers? Let's dive in. Secret number 1, the AI voice clone emergency call. Picture this. Your phone rings. The voice on the other end sounds exactly like your grandson. He's frantic, stranded in a foreign country, wallet stolen, begging you not to tell his parents. He needs bail money, fast. Here's the catch. It's not your grandson. Scammers are now scraping social media for voice clips and using AI to clone loved ones' voices with chilling accuracy. They spoof the caller ID, making it look like it's coming from a familiar number. And in the panic, many seniors wire thousands, sometimes tens of thousands, straight to the scammer. How to outsmart them. Never send money or share personal info based on a call alone. Hang up. Call your real family member on their usual number and confirm the story. Pro tip. Set up a family code word only you and your loved ones know. If someone calls in a crisis, ask for the code. No code, no cash. Secret number 2. Deepfake video. Customer service traps. Imagine you're having trouble with your airline booking. You search for the customer service number and a friendly face pops up on a video call, maybe even wearing a company badge. They walk you through a verification process and ask for your passport and credit card details. But here's the twist. That helpful agent is a deep fake, an AI-generated video designed to mimic real staff, right down to their accent and mannerisms. Scammers use these to steal your identity and drain your accounts. How to outsmart them? Never trust customer service links from search engines or emails. Always go directly to the official airline or hotel website. If you're asked for sensitive info on a video call, hang up and verify the contact through a trusted channel. Secret number 3, fake booking sites that fool even the pros. You spot a too good to be true deal on a hotel or flight, 50% off, but only if you book in the next 30 minutes. The website looks perfect, but AI lets scammers now whip up convincing replicas of real travel sites, complete with fake reviews, logos, and even live chat agents. You enter your details, pay, and show up to find your reservation doesn't exist. Worse, your credit card is now in the hands of criminals. How to outsmart them? Always double-check the website URL, look for subtle misspellings or extra dashes. Book directly through official hotel or airline sites, or use trusted platforms like Expedia or Booking.com. If a deal seems impossible, it probably is. Secret number 4. AI-powered phishing emails that bypass your defenses. Remember when spam emails were easy to spot? Not anymore. AI now writes emails that look and sound exactly like your bank, airline, or even the TSA. They use your real name, reference recent trips, and include logos and footers that look legit. Click the link, and you're taken to a fake login page designed to steal your passwords, or you download malware that gives scammers access to your entire computer. How to outsmart them? Never click links in unsolicited emails. If you get an urgent message about a booking or account issue, go directly to the official website by typing the address yourself. Enable two-factor authentication on all your accounts for extra security. Secret number 5. Government official impersonation scams. You get a call from someone claiming to be from the TSA, IRS, or Social Security Administration. They say there's a problem with your travel documents, or you owe a fine that must be paid immediately, or you'll be arrested at the airport. I let scammers spoof official phone numbers and generate convincing documents or emails. The pressure is intense, and many seniors panic and pay up. How to outsmart them? No government agency will ever demand payment over the phone or threaten arrest for paperwork issues. Hang up and call the agency directly using a number from their official website. Never share personal info with unsolicited callers. Secret number 6. Fake tech support that locks you out. You get a pop-up or a call claiming your airline app or travel booking account has been hacked. The support agent offers to help, if you download a remote access tool or share your password. But this is an AI-powered scam. Once you give access, they can lock you out, steal your data, and even use your device to scam others. How to outsmart them. Never grant remote access to your computer or phone unless you initiated the support request with a known, trusted company. If in doubt, shut down your device and seek help from a tech-savvy family member or a verified support channel. Secret number 7. AI investment scams. Promising senior-only travel returns. You see an ad for a guaranteed travel investment. Maybe a timeshare, a new hotel, or a senior-exclusive travel club with sky-high returns. The website is slick, the testimonials are glowing, and the emails reference your past travels. AI now lets scammers create entire fake companies, complete with professional websites, fake news coverage, and even AI-generated customer video reviews. Once you invest, the company vanishes. How to outsmart them. Be skeptical of any investment that promises high returns with no risk, especially if it's travel-related. Research the company, look for real reviews, and never invest based on a cold call or unsolicited email. Secret number 8. Deepfake, travel companion, romance scams. You join a travel group or dating site for seniors and quickly connect with someone who shares your passion for adventure. They send you photos, videos, and even voice messages. Before long, they suggest meeting up on a trip, but need you to send money for a ticket, visa, or emergency. AI deepfakes now make it easy for scammers to create entire fake identities, complete with video calls and social media profiles. How to outsmart them. Be wary of anyone you meet online who asks for money, no matter how convincing they seem. Reverse search their photos and never send funds to someone you haven't met in person. If it feels rushed or too good to be true, it probably is. Secret number 9. AI-generated fake reviews and travel agencies. Looking for a travel agent or tour? You find a company with hundreds of 5-star reviews and glowing testimonials. But now, AI lets scammers flood the web with fake reviews, making their fraudulent agencies seem reputable. You book a trip, pay in full, and arrive to find the hotel or tour doesn't exist. Or the agency has disappeared. How to outsmart them. Check for a real business address, phone number, and registration. Look for reviews on multiple platforms, not just the company's website. Call the hotel or airline directly to confirm your booking before you pay. Secret number 10. AI social media scams that target your travel posts. You post about your upcoming trip on Facebook or TikTok. Days later, you get a message from your hotel or airline about a problem with your reservation. The message includes your real name, travel dates, and even the names of your companions. Scammers now use AI to scrape social media for travel plans, then target you with personalized scams, sometimes even using voice or video messages that mimic staff or loved ones. How to outsmart them. Limit what you share online about your travel plans. Set your social media profiles to private and be cautious about accepting new friend requests. If you get a message about your trip, verify it directly through the company's official website or phone number. Pro tips to outsmart AI scammers. Establish a family code word. Use it for emergencies. If someone calls in distress, ask for the code before acting. Book direct. Always use official airline, hotel, or travel agency websites. Double-check everything. If a deal, call, or email seems urgent or emotional, pause and verify before acting. Educate yourself and loved ones. Share these tips with friends and family. Scammers count on you keeping quiet. Enable two-factor authentication for all your important accounts, especially email and banking. Keep devices updated, install security updates, and use strong, unique passwords. Travel should be about making memories, not losing money or sleep. The bad news? AI scams are getting smarter every day. The good news? Now you're even smarter. If you found these tips helpful, a like really supports the channel and helps more travelers stay safe. And I want to hear from you. What's the sneakiest scam you've ever encountered while traveling? Drop your story in the comments below. Your experience could save someone else. For more insider travel secrets, hit subscribe and join the Passport Pro crew. Until next time, travel smart, stay sharp, and keep those adventures scam-free. Safe travels.